Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about the GNC Creatine Monohydrate. So what is creatine? So I think you know what creatine is if you already know what you're trying to buy. So right here it costs 28.34 and GNC's actual website. So creatine is supposed to improve your muscle building and strength and your performance. So right here it has 100 servings, and to use it it's pretty simple. So I personally will check on the serving size of it first. So it states here one serving is 5 grams. So 5 grams is the base consumption of your creatine monohydrate. So you're supposed to take about 5 grams per day, but usually others who would actually do bodybuilding usually take 10, so I take 10 myself. So how to use it is just simple. Just get one scoop or two scoops for 10 grams and then mix it with your water or your actual let's see right here. We have your weight gainer, you have your protein powders, you have your let's see. What do we have right here? Let's check out. So let's go to GNC and check out. So you also have creatine monohydrate gummies. So I think you would want to actually just use creatine monohydrate powdered version. It's easier to absorb that. So yeah, you have protein, you have pre-workouts of vitamins and many much more. You can actually just take it as it is by itself and there's nothing wrong with it. There's no flavoring or whatsoever, so you won't really taste really disgusted when you take creatine monohydrate by itself. So creatine monohydrate, you can mix it with basically anything. So as long as you're taking it and it will be absorbed by your body, it's good enough. So there you go, guys. That's how you take your GNC creatine monohydrate.